Hello everyone. Did you know that simple activity like walking can help you lose weight? Walking is a safe and effective way to shed those extra pounds. It is a great alternative for more intense activities like walking, running, and swimming. Let's explore why walking is a safe, effective, and low impact exercise that anyone can do to reach their fitness goals. First off, walking is a low impact exercise. This means it puts less stress on joints, muscles, and bones as compared to high impact activity like running. This reduces the risk of injuries such as muscle strain, fractures, or joint pain. Unlike swimming, which needs a pool, or cycling, which requires a safe path, walking can be done almost anywhere around neighborhood in parks or even indoors on a treadmill. It's simple and convenient. Walking is easier on the body than running, swimming, and cycling. It's great for people with busy lives or who are not in top shape. You can start walking and keep that as a regular habit. Walking, especially in nature, reduces stress and helps in releasing the happiness hormones known as endorphins, which can enhance your mental well-being. For weight loss, aim for about 40 to 60 minutes of walking each day. This can be done in one session or split into smaller parts throughout the day. Walking at a brisk pace of 5 to 6 km per hour can be a moderate intensity exercise that helps in your fat loss goals. Regular walking helps burn calories and contributes for calorie deficit, which is essential for fat loss. The calories burned depends on speed, time, and distance covered. If you are adding walking into your routine for at least 30 minutes, you will be able to burn at least 150 calories each day. While walking helps with fat loss, it's important to stay on a calorie deficit diet about 10 to 20% below your maintenance calories. Too severe calorie deficit can be unsustainable. If you are already doing weight training or yoga, walking can be a great addition that helps in reaching your fat loss goals faster. The best place to walk is in parks. You get to enjoy the nature and the fresh air, which contributes for your overall health. And if possible, try walking barefoot on the natural surfaces like grass or sand and gain the benefits. Walking barefoot on grass can be very calming and stress relieving. The soft grass stimulates the pressure points on your feet, giving the relaxing and calming effect. This simple activity can lower the stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline and reducing anxiety. If you are busy and can't set aside dedicated time for walking, then try including this in your regular routine. Walk after meals, choose stairs over elevators, and walk to a nearby places instead of driving. These simple adjustments can increase your activity level, burn calories, and support in your fat loss goals. Walking is a great way to support fat loss. It is gentle on the body and can be done by anyone. Thank you for watching the complete video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you till the next video. Namaste.